Good morning, Gus. How are you this morning? Are you settling in? Hi, Gus. Oh, is that beeping? Oh, we're both beeping. How excited are you?
Pretty excited. Now I'm not the only ass in the family.
That's the truth. Here I am as the gate girl. Ooh. It's hard to multitask. We're even with the side, so then we can pull this one closed and let him out.
Well, then I gotta pull that far up.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
You gotta try to swing this gate all the way closed while I pull up, or vice versa. You pull the truck up and I swing this closed. So as long as he's towards the back, we should be okay.
Okay. I see what you're saying.
Buddy? Wanna come out?
It's your new home. Cows, you curious? You'll have friends here.
Not gonna push you out?
There we go. There we go.
Oh boy.
Whoa. Yeah, they're curious. So yeah, I think if you pull up,
Now that he's in the back, here's the time to.
let's try and figure things out. Got some water over there. Got some new friends. I'm not sure what to think, huh, bud? Hi, Gus. Hi, Gus. Everybody say hi, Gus.
Hey, buddy.
I know you're nervous. We won't hurt you. You're the cutest.
You got some new buddies.
The peanut gallery over here. Yeah. His tail's wagging. I don't know. Is that a good sign, like a dog?
What that means in a donkey.
Finley doesn't know what to think. She's like, what is this thing? I've only been around cows my whole life. Well, and cats and a dog, I guess. We have heard that Gus doesn't love dogs near his herd until he knows they're safe. So we're gonna let him get settled in, and then Cookie will wait to introduce maybe tomorrow, maybe even later this week. Because she'll spaz out and bark at him, and we don't want to stress him out. So we'll let him get acclimated first. Nope.
See?
It's okay, buddy. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe let him get used to things today.
You want me to hang it here so you know it's safe?
That might be good. It's the ass of an ass.
Maybe I'm gonna put it back so the cows will probably eat it.
Oh yeah, so don't try to chew it. Okay, Gus. We'll let you be. You got used to your new spot? I see you twitching.
Monty, come here, check this out.
I see you twitching. It's okay. Oh, ears back. Yeah. I know you're scared. It'll be okay. Yeah, see? You'll be fine. You're in a good spot, I promise you. Oh, we got a cat. We have a cat. Yep. What is that, kitty? I don't know what Gus is going to think about cats. What is that, Lefty? Poncha. What is that? The cows cornered her and freaked her out. Good morning, Gus. How are you this morning? Are you settling in? Finley's interested. And cat scratching post. Oh, maybe it was just a truck. Now they're all checking you out. Oh, Gus is gonna go make friends. Cows are trying to steal your food there. Quinn's trying to get to your square bale hay. Apparently he doesn't think his round bale over there is as good. Suppose if he feels like eating, that's a good sign. Quinn, don't stick your head through there. They're after your hay, buddy. I don't think they care as much about you as they do the hay. Oh, you're gonna get curious about the cats? Yeah. The cats are curious about you too. Oh, you gonna give a little kiss? What you think? Aw. Poncha, you made Poncha a little nervous. Yeah. She'll be your friend. She'll be your friend soon enough. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. You gonna come close to me? Hi, buddy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hi. get all that mud off you.